what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student.
Hey.
And we're practicing for her driving test. Her driving test is in what, 2 days, right?
Yeah, 2 days.
2 days. So we've been practicing. We're at a Broward County location. She's doing really well, actually. So we're just gonna run through one time so you can see how she's doing. Before I get too much into the video though, I'm gonna ask you to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Tell your friends about it. Alright, so let's get into the video. Alright, so they're gonna the test starts here in this general area. I don't want to show too much, but they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Away from the curb.
Okay, what else do you do?
You put your car in park, pull your handbrake up and turn the ignition off.
Okay, cool. Alright, then they're gonna ask you basically to do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, and press the brake. So you put the car in park. Press and release the brake. They're gonna be in the back of the car checking to make sure that the turn signal lights are working, the brake lights are working, and the horn is working, right? So now we're going to reverse from here. Again, they're gonna be outside because I keep having to repeat this. They're not in the car. They're not in the car. They're gonna call you on the phone. You have to have someone sit in the car with you that's over 21 with a license. So they're gonna call you on the phone. The person sitting beside you cannot speak to you. I repeat, the person cannot speak to you. They can hold your phone so you can hear it, and the examiner will give you directions, instructions as to what to do, when to do it, so on and so on. So we're going to reverse from here and go to the left. So go ahead and reverse, and you're going to reverse until the mirror gets to the end of the line. Alright, so reverse. When your mirror gets to the end of the line, I want you to turn all the way right. Alright, go ahead, turn all the way to the right. And look behind you as you reverse. When your mirror gets to the middle about here, stop. Because you have to think, there are cars behind you, right? So you can't back up too much. Okay. Alright, put the car in drive. And we're gonna make a right turn at the stop sign. Alright, so you make sure you come to a complete stop. And as soon as they say make a right, they're gonna, every time they tell you to make a right or left, you're gonna make sure you signal. Because if you don't signal, you're losing 4 points. So you wait for it to be clear, and then you go ahead and make your right turn. So again, remember, you go up here until the mirror is past the curb before you turn. That way your back wheel will not hit the curb. And then we're gonna make an immediate right turn here. So signal again, go up a little bit more, and turn. Alright, straighten up, and we're gonna go all the way down to the end of this road. Yeah, this test is very, very easy, right? By now?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it seems hard at first, but when you practice it a few times, it gets really easy. So we're gonna make a right turn at the end of the road here. So signal right. Alright, so you're gonna start turning the wheel, so when you stop, you're at an angle like that. Stop completely. So you look to the left, make sure there's nothing coming, and then you're going to make a right turn. So you're gonna wait for these guys, because they are coming kind of fast. Okay, so I guess they're all turning. Alright, go ahead. Alright, go ahead and make a right. Well, you turn off the African music style. We can have a little bit of music.
That one's Jamaica.
Oh, make a right. But it's on the African beat, so I'm sure these people are not like. Alright, so we're gonna pull straight down here, and they're gonna tell you at some point to stop in reverse. So I'll tell you when. Go down a little bit more. Alright, stop about here. Okay. And now they're gonna make you reverse straight back. Look behind. Alright, I'll tell you when to stop. Alright, stop here. So yeah, the idea here is for you to come straight back without going into the parking space or over on the other side, right? So now they're gonna tell you to speed up to 20.
My favorite part.
And
okay.
then and do a sudden stop. Yeah, she loves this part. Speed up. And stop. Cool. Most people are afraid of this part. She loves it. Like, pull close to your right side, so now you could park in between the cones that's gonna be right here on the left side. So you're gonna pull up, line up your mirror, go up, line up right there, signal left, turn all the way left, and go slowly into the space. So when you get to the middle of the space, here is when you go into straighten up. Straighten up. No rush. Straighten the wheel, run more, and stop.
We're good?
Stop. Yes, that is good.
Okay.
I put it in reverse, and you're gonna go straight back. Keep the wheel straight, go straight back. So you're gonna back up again until your mirror is past the cone. Slowly, when your mirror get to the end, like about here, you're gonna turn all the way left. Alright, look behind you and go straight back. Alright, stop. Alright, put the car in drive again. We're gonna go up to the stop sign and make a left. Alright.
And guys, please like, comment, and share these videos, okay? Tell your friend, your mother, your father, your brother, your sister, everybody.
Okay.
Make sure you do that.
Make sure you follow what the lady is saying, right? Because she knows what she's talking about.
Yes, we have some good content on this page, okay?
Okay. Alright, stay close to your right side, and then we're gonna do the 3-point turn. So pull up right here. Alright, 3-point turn. Alright. Yeah, and she's gonna have her own page in a minute, right?
Yes, guys. Yes, I'm going to
look out for her page. What's your page gonna be called?
I don't know. I don't find a name for it yet.
Oh, okay.
But
when she start her page, I'll big it up, so y'all will know when her page is out, when she launched it. Okay, yeah. Stop it. Put it in drive. Alright, so signal left again. Alright. All the way left. And then we're going to turn right and park. And that will be it. So you see how short it is? It's literally like about 7-8 minutes.
Yeah, I'm led.
Yeah. It's just 7 minutes and something now. So you see it's very short. Alright, so we're gonna park back over here.
Right here.
Pull up a little bit more. Yeah, signal left. Turn all the way left. And roll into the space. And again, as you get to the middle, you straighten up. And straighten the wheel. And that is just about perfect.
Period.
See it? Put it in park.
Okay.
Alright, so you see, she is doing extremely well. So I expect her to pass with 100%, right?
Of course, no doubt.
100%. So again, thank you for watching the video. Like the video, share the video, share the channel, tell everybody about the channel. Look out for my friend's channel that's coming soon.
Okay.
Alright, see you guys on the next video.